Martinez Ayan Elizabeth O.
Lily Christine Lane P.
Nalsado Irene O. Magna cum laude.
Lindriso Jacqueline Lee, magna cum laude, Special Award, Fuel Service Award.
Sabala Jasmine N.
Montero Angel Marie, magna cum laude.
Amancio Love P. Magna cum laude.
Yana Shana Marie M.
Maluglo Teres Juliet G.
Samaria Jasmine N.
Buga Krishni Deo A. Magna cum laude.
Umbahi Eliza A. magna cum laude.
Kabuna Hazel J. Cum laude.
Umbahi Eliza A. magna cum laude.
Corvera Crystal Alena C. Magna cum laude.
Bagno Hanashinoden, magna cum laude.
Nagakat Camilla C. Magna cum laude.
Bingon Banjika G. cum laude.
Dente Maria Camilla P. Cum laude.
Abugos Vanessa B. magna cum laude.
Irlandes Iris Jane A. Cum laude.
Kalibay Vanessa May N. cum laude.
Igor Benjamin H. Cum laude.
Izon Arnel D. cum laude.
Papa Mary Jane. Magna cum laude. Special awards. Campus Director Citation for Future Shapers in Technology.
David Farrell P. magna cum laude. Special Award Campus Director Citation for Future Shapers in Technology.
Lastimoso Jonathan G. Magna cum laude.
Baron Lee R. cum laude. With Special Award Campus Director Citation for Future Shapers in Technology.
Loretta Mary Adelaide C. Magna cum laude. Special awards. Campus Director Citation for Future Shapers in Technology.
Embasado Lara K. N. magna cum laude.
Montero Reza Marie B. Magna cum laude.
Izuka Shakira P. cum laude.
Parillo Hannah Rizal P.
Landa Hershey G. magna cum laude.
Rendon Helen. Magna cum laude.
Legaspi Mitch Vanes. magna cum laude.
Stella Renee J. Magna cum laude.
Mardomia Svexes N. magna cum laude.
You indicate Sarah J. Cum laude.
Omaya Jethro C. cum laude.
Acosta Alisa M. Cum laude.
Hilio Jacqueline N. cum laude.
Bokuya Jessamine S. Cum laude.
Soto de Rose Shabi cum laude.
Kabura Nisha J. N. Special awards. Best Research Paper.
Rico Jomel A. cum laude.
Dabar Kane M. Magna cum laude.
Rosero Maris N.
Felipe Chenyang M. Magna cum laude.
Alvaro Margie P.
Labulo April May C.
Habilis Nursing J. G.
Mandalaka Kara Isabel E. Cum laude.
Marzino Jovian P. magna cum laude.
Milano Jennifer X. Magna cum laude.
Eva Leon N. magna cum laude.
Montes Desiree D. Magna cum laude.
Abanga Johnny I.
Kim A. Cindy F., magna cum laude.
Lisa Elaine Marie C., magna cum laude.
Sanchez Desiree Grace F., cum laude.
Ocampo N. R., cum laude.
Ubas James Ryan O., magna cum laude. Special awards, best research paper.
Marissa Bell G. R., cum laude. Yolanda Earl Gerard, cum laude. Luciano Sarah G. Lee, cum laude. Rodeo Karen C. With special award, Best Research Paper. Villaveles Glenn Lee.
Graduates of Bachelor of Special Needs Education, Albios May Marie S. Magna cum laude, with special awards, Campus Director Citation for Future Shapers in Technology and Field Service Award.
Morris Maria Clary N., magna cum laude.
Arellano Maria, magna cum laude.
Basalo Michaela Grace, magna cum laude. Special award, Campus Director Citation for Future Shapers in Technology.
Indalilio Recami,
Benitez Rachel Ann Lee, cum laude.
Pedro Eugene, magna cum laude.
Babaluna Christian J.
Carol Delia Green, magna cum laude.
Palmania Jordan.
Kanyari Frances Lee, cum laude.
Concha John Anthony C., cum laude. Special award, Campus Director Citation for Future Shapers in Technology.
Reva Angel May, magna cum laude.
Valeriana Showman, magna cum laude.
Isola Christian L, magna cum laude. Special award, Campus Director Citation for Future Shapers and Technology.
Corolla Jansen, magna cum laude. Special award, Campus Director Citation for Future Shapers in Technology.
Lucido Joy, cum laude.
Ruler Joyanna, magna cum laude.
Gonzalo Chongwan, magna cum laude.
Martin Guerrero, magna cum laude.
Nabilia Eliza Isa,
Novavos Dempsey N., magna cum laude.
Pakiwo Erica Nicole, magna cum laude.
Tunyakaw May Pyra V.
And Cheryl Jennifer Grace, cum laude.
Zamba Hani Jane N., magna cum laude. Special award, Campus Director Citation for Future Special Award, Best Research Recipient.
Christina Kailin, magna cum laude.
Estabilio Fetch Christie, magna cum laude.
Stars Giselle, magna cum laude.
Fabrogo Rose Ann,
Gonzalez Maria, cum laude.
Gumo Desiree, cum laude.
Lasco Maria Pamela, magna cum laude.
Maneja Maria Erica Jean, cum laude.
Molina Hazel, magna cum laude.
Santillán Sheridan, magna cum laude. Special Award, Campus Director Citation for Future Shapers in Technology. Co-Ed Service Award and Best Research Paper.
Soronio Aileen, name cum laude. Special award, best research paper.
Sumania Javera P, cum laude. Special Award, Best Research Paper.
Antuan Valerie, and cum laude.
Yero Eliza Rose S, cum laude.
Zapata Kyra Denise, cum laude.
Abajo April Ann L, magna cum laude.
Aniero Mary Grace, magna cum laude.
Agamosa John Joshua, magna cum laude. Special Award, Campus Director Citation for Future Shapers in Technology.
Lando Maria Elena,
Deline Mary J. X, magna cum laude. Special Award, Campus Director Citation for Future Shapers in Technology.
Española Joana S, cum laude.
Gallego Earl Ruth Vincent, magna cum laude.
Enjoy Kimberly,
Monteslao Slade, magna cum laude. Special Award, Campus Director Citation for Future Shapers in Technology and Pro-Ed Service Award.
Nasser Mccabe, magna cum laude, with special award, Campus Director Citation for Future Shapers in Technology.
Panonce Angeline, magna cum laude.
Rojas Freya Ann,
Saladaga Stephanie, cum laude.
Selva J, magna cum laude, with special award, Campus Director Citation for Future Shapers and Technology.
Valor Stella Marie, magna cum laude.
Vincent Park Asia, magna cum laude.
Yero
Cornelius Oncaris A, a recipient of Campus Director Citation for Future Shapers in Technology.
Dago Charlie May R.
Diaz and Michelle M, magna cum laude.
Noelia Angie F. Recipient, Campus Director Citation for Leadership in Technology, Co-Ed Outstanding Leadership Award, Co-Ed Excellence in Leadership Award, and Co-Ed Service Award.
Eduardo Brett Mark M,
Fernandez Jordan A.
Jerusalem Aislinn D, a recipient of College of Education Service Award.
Lapas Melvin C. Recipient, Campus Director Citation for Future Shapers in Technology.
Lopetania Chanel V, Best Research Paper, Best Research Presenter.
Lumacto Kristen Q. Recipient, Best Research Poster Presentation.
Lumakin Krishna A. M,
Mahina Ajanes E.
Mendoza John Mayer T,
Mortosa Patrick Lawrence P. Recipient, Best Research Paper Award.
Olapo Pressure A. C,
Pagula Sherrod E. Cum laude. Recipient, Campus Director Citation for Future Shapers in Technology and Co-Ed Service Award.
Alphonse Jason A. C, Best Research Paper.
Carnesio Flemington C.
Pepito Parley L, she is a recipient of Campus Directors Citation for Future Shapers in Technology, College of Education Excellence and Leadership Award, College of Education Service Awardee.
Musa Bianca C. Magna cum laude. Recipient, Campus Director Citation for Future Shapers in Technology, Co-Ed Service Award, and Best Research Poster Presentation.
Kimpo Wesley O, Best Research Paper.
Rosaldo Mary Legend G. Magna cum laude.
Salabreza Clarence A. V, recipient of College of Education Service Award.
Sasuma Mary Rose R.
Simpson Mariel M, a recipient of Campus Director Citation for Future Shapers in Technology, College of Education Service Award, Best Research Poster Presentation.
Wenceslao Angel R. S.
Arturo Russell O, cum laude, College of Education Service Award.
Abibe Jezebel Z. Cum laude. Recipient, Campus Director Citation for Future Shapers in Technology.
Anolino Jan A. E,
Amuye Gail C. Cum laude. Recipient, Campus Director Citation for Future Shapers in Technology and Co-Ed Service Award. Helen I, magna cum laude.
Kay Peter